Yo guys, what's up? If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and share this content of the channel. And in this channel, what I basically do is I introduce you to various types of questions regarding web programming and database management. And further on, I'm thinking of doing more like interesting stuff like these questions. Now these are certain set of questions which I built, which I am supposed to do in this video discussions. So today we have question number 8 of the database management video series. So let's get right on to it. Okay. So in this question number 8, we have a question to facilitate the business of Max Mobile. The owner of the mobile company uses a computer software which uses the following data to store the data in that computer software. Answer the questions asked in the table. Okay. Now we have two tables and we are asked to design a database called MShop. Okay. Now the name of the database is MShop. So I'll just quickly mark that down. So this is the database. I'll call it DB. And I have two tables. I have to design, and these are the conditions we are allowed. Now the customer ID should be primary, and as such now we have data types, we have data lengths, and according to these conditions we must build two tables. And we have in this question I'm supposed to do very simple query questions. I have after I have entered all the data, after I have entered all this data onto these tables, I have three simple queries which I am supposed to do. Okay, so first of all, let's design our database. I am going to use as for difference, as for change, I will use this MySQL database. So MySQL database, if you want to start, you just first you have to go on to this file and click new model. So once that's done, you just have to double click. So first I'll name my database. My database was MShop, right there. MShop, and I'm going to use ER diagrams to design this database. So I am not given any relationships, but most of the time we use this MySQL Workbench to design if we are assigning relationship questions. But here I am not assigning a relationship question, but I'll just simply use this MySQL Workbench because it's easy other than using HeidiSQL. But once I design the structure, I'll forward it into the MySQL server so we can observe it through the HeidiSQL. Okay. So if you want to create a table, first of all you just have to click on this icon and drag and drop it onto this frame. So I have one table here. Now this is the package that I am going to use to design the table, and I need two tables, so I'll design the other one here. So I have table 1 and table 2. So I'll just double click on table 1. So once I double click on table 1, all the features and properties of the relevant table which I click will appear on the screen. Okay. So the name of the table is customer. First you have to design the customer table. This is the customer table I have to design first. Okay. So my according to the validations given, my first I have to design the customer ID, which should be primary with data type varchar and length of 10. Okay. I'll give it column name first. Customer ID should be prime. Data type is what? Character length of 3. My next column I have my columns are first name, last name, gender and contact number. All the data types are varchar. Okay, so that's this table, the customer table. I have finished designing. Then I have the product table. So I'll just double click on table 2. Then I have the properties of table 2. Then I have the pro ID column. Then brand name, model number, and price. Just use this side here. Then I have next this side. So my first column is pro ID. Pro ID, the name of the table is product. Pro ID should be watch, I think. Yeah, it should be watch. So you can type the word too, you can type the word watch also, but I'll just simply select it. Then I have the brand name. That's watch profile. This is brand name. And I have number. That is also watch profile. Yeah, then have the price. Just the data type double. I have to select it here. Right here. Okay. So this is that table. Now I have the two tables. Now I have to forward engine into the MySQL server. So I'll just click on MySQL server. Okay, so I'll just simply keep on pressing next. So eventually forward onto the database. You just have to wait. Okay, so before clicking on next, I just want to introduce this part. This part is now, do you remember that we discussed select, update, delete, search and insert queries. Those fall under the category of DML. DML means data manipulation language. Now we have been introduced a new part of database management languages. That means another part of SQL language. We have DDL. DDL stands for data definition language, and all these we have right here. These These fall under DDL. DDL stands for Data Definition Language, and I just want to briefly give you that name just because it comes up to you when you are searching the web or something. So I'll just click on next here. I didn't change anything in the previous page. Okay, so after that I'll just have to become close and then I'll minimize it because I don't want MySQL Workbench anymore, so I can directly use this HeidiSQL. So I'll just have to refresh it one more time. I have to search for that database. Its name was I think the name was MShop. Yeah, the table was MShop. We have it right here. And inside you have customer table and product table. So first I'll enter data onto the product table. Just have to take this side as for the table, then this side for the question. Okay. So this side I have the products. Just have to enter. My first column I have row ID. That is the row ID. Then I have row underscore 001. I will simply enter it because we have done it in previous questions. For 9,990, then I have row underscore 005. So you can't put auto increment to this one, although this increases in ascending order like this. There's a watch and this column contains watch data type, because if you are using auto increment, you must have the data type as only in. So you can't use auto increment style to this column. Then you have next price 210,000. Then we have row underscore 008. Brand name is row and B11 row. The next one I have row underscore 009 and brand name is Sony. Then the model is Expedia M4 Acro. I haven't heard of it, but they have this product. So I'll just increase the length of this column and I'll adjust the price as 32,900. So my next row I have row underscore 010. Redmi 9T. Then the price of the final product is 32,700. Okay. Now the product table is completed. Now I have to make insert data onto the customer table. Now customer table there are only 5 entries I have to do. Let's do the first one. It's cus001, customer 001, Ilan, and last name is Ekanarika, and the gender is male, and his contact number is the hardest integrated because I have to enter every single digit as it is. 002, that's the second customer, and I have Kalani. Kalani, the first, the last name is Samarasinghe, and just have to increase the length of it, and she's a female, and her contact number is 07868 868 69533 69533. So my next row I have customer 003. His name is Navo, and her last name is Kiriwatu. Gender is male. Then his contact number is 0741856896. So the next row is customer 004. The name is Kalpana. The surname is Douglas and gender is female. And her contact number is 07156 035 and 62. Customer 005, the last customer is Johan. Raja, and his name is male, and he's male, and we have 0712005600. So that's the customer column. Now we have some query questions. They are very simple. Now we have added the data. Now we have to find all the customers. Find all the customers means we have to write a SQL query which gives us all the customers. Now it's simply a searching partner. So have to search for all the customers. So a search in SQL is basically referred to as a select. So we have to use the select query. So select. So we have to find all the customers and all the details of all customers. So we can use the star mark. Star mark used to represent all columns. Select all columns from the database was mshop customer. The tables inside the customer table inside the mshop database. Select all columns from mshop database from customer table inside mshop database. Yeah, that's it. You have to run the query from here. Then you can run the query. So it gives us. So unlike other types of DML queries, now we have insert, update, delete, and search. So except the search, all the others they just execute. They don't give any output. Now in those queries, you have to input the query and it executes. But in the select query, we have an insert, a process, and also an output. Output is the answer of the query. Okay. So that's the that was the fourth one. So now we have find details of all products. Okay. So that's even more easy. You just have to replace this customer because both of them are in the same database now. So I can replace this with product. So we can get all the details of the products. So these are all the details of the products. As you can see, you have a table that means an output. So next we have the final question. Find the details of the customer whose customer ID is customer 003. Okay. Now what we have to do is, like it earlier, select, we must select the details. Select details means all the columns. Select all from mshop customer. We are using customer table. Select all columns from customer table where customer ID equal customer 003. So once I execute this, it gives us that there's an SQL syntax error. So let me just find that error. Customer where customer ID is 003. Here we must enter the name from. So because we are using select all columns from that table. So let's execute it. Okay. Now we have the answer like this. Okay. So that's the end of the 8th question. So I'll hope you guys will meet in the next video. Next video means we will meet in question number 9 of the database management video series. Bye guys.